Hello and welcome to the latest episode of AI Today, your one stop for all-in-one AI. In this week's highlights we have latest updates on AI, tech and robotics, trending tool and AI flash. Let's begin with latest in AI. OpenAI has finalized a Pentagon agreement to deploy its AI models on classified defense networks, just hours after President Trump ordered federal agencies to sever ties with Anthropic for refusing to permit mass surveillance and autonomous weapons use. OpenAI says its contract includes identical red lines, barring domestic surveillance and requiring human oversight on forced decisions, positioning the company as the Pentagon's new AI partner. ChatGPT's U.S. mobile app faced a sharp backlash after reports of its Pentagon partnership, triggering a 295% spike in uninstalls on February 28, far above its typical 9% daily fluctuation. Users reacted strongly to the defense deal, while rival Anthropic's Claude saw a surge in downloads as Americans shifted toward AI models distancing themselves from military applications. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman posted a note on X announcing major revisions to the company's Pentagon contract amid employee protests, user cancellations, and a surge in Anthropic signups. Altman admitted the rollout was sloppy, pledged clearer safeguards on surveillance and military use, and emphasized OpenAI's commitment to ethical boundaries, a move seen as damage control after intense public and internal criticism. Google DeepMind has introduced Nano Banana 2 as its new default image generation model. Built on the Gemini 3.1 Flash system, it produces faster, more responsive visuals and incorporates real-time web data to improve accuracy and relevance. The upgrade signals DeepMind's push toward lighter, high-speed multimodal models optimized for everyday creative and analytical tasks. xAI has begun testing a voice cloning feature inside the Grok iOS app, allowing users to create, deploy, and share personalized synthetic voice profiles. This tool expands Grok's multimodal capabilities and signals xAI's push into creator-focused audio generation. Early testers can generate custom voices for responses and content, positioning Grok as a more interactive, customizable AI assistant. OpenAI has raised $110 billion in new private funding, one of the largest capital injections in tech history, valuing at $730 billion pre-money valuation. The round cements OpenAI as the dominant force in the AI race, giving it unprecedented resources to scale compute, accelerate model development, and expand global infrastructure as competition intensifies across the industry. Devalence has unveiled Spectre Eye, a portable privacy device designed to stop phones, laptops, smart speakers, and other always-listening gadgets from capturing conversations. The unit emits inaudible masking signals that overlay human speech, rendering it unintelligible to microphones within a 2-meter radius. Spectre Eye reflects rising demand for personal anti-surveillance technology. The U.S. Supreme Court has declined to hear Thaler versus Perlmutter, effectively upholding lower court rulings that only humans can be authors under U.S. copyright law. The decision leaves intact the Copyright Office's rejection of Stephen Thaler's bid to copyright AI-generated artwork, marking a major moment in the debate over whether autonomous AI creations deserve legal protection. OpenAI has launched GPT 5.4, its most powerful model yet, delivering major improvements in desktop workflows, coding, math, science, and multi-step reasoning. VP of Science called it our best model ever. GPT 5.4 is OpenAI's flagship for technical professionals with enhanced accuracy, tool integration, and performance across complex problem-solving domains. SIDDAC, a new AI-powered intelligence platform created by Dan Ushman, compiles 180-plus real-time data feeds into a single customizable dashboard. Users can track conflicts, earthquakes, cyber attacks, elections, markets, shipping lanes, and more through 55-plus drag-and-drop widgets and 70-plus interactive map layers. It delivers agency-grade situational awareness to the public, offering a fast, unified view of global events. Now let's see what we have in tech and robotics this week. A German defense startup has introduced bioelectronic, cyborg cockroaches equipped with neural interface controls and sensor backpacks, enabling them to crawl through confined, high-risk spaces where drones and troops fail, providing real-time covert reconnaissance. Unitree's new AS2 quadruped robot sprints at 11 miles per hour, climbs 40-degree slopes, and hauls up to 143 pounds. Designed for rugged environments, it blends industrial strength with advanced autonomous mobility. China has debuted a UFO-shaped electric aircraft in downtown Wuhan. The ducked eVTOL lifts 450 kilograms, launches in 3 seconds, and targets urban logistics and aerial rescue missions. Honor is unveiling its first humanoid robot at MWC Barcelona 2026, targeting home and retail use. Backed by a $10 billion AI investment, it rivals Xiaomi and Tesla. Elon Musk claims Tesla is ready to launch driverless robot access in California, yet DMV records show 0 autonomous test miles in 2025, a critical requirement for regulatory approval. Droplet Biosciences has partnered with NVIDIA to accelerate post-surgery cancer diagnostics. Using Parabricks GPU-powered software, Droplet compresses genomic analysis into 24 hours, enabling faster detection of minimal residual disease and earlier treatment decisions via its lymph-based LymphDetect test. At MWC 2026, Lenovo unveiled the AI Workmate, a robotic desk arm with animated puppy eyes. It scans, summarizes, and projects, blending productivity with personality in a new wave of physical AI assistants. In Austin are under federal scrutiny after one illegally passed a stop school bus and another blocked an ambulance rushing to a mass shooting scene. The incidents raise urgent questions about remote operator errors and how autonomous systems interpret risk and emergency cues. The UK Atomic Energy Authority and CERN have developed Pioneer, a mouse-sized robot that crawls through LHC vacuum pipes, using AI-powered vision to detect faults faster and safer than human inspections. Singapore-based startup Asimov has launched pre-orders for its open-source humanoid robot, a 1.2-meter-tall rival to Unitree's G1. With 25-plus degrees of freedom, it targets developers seeking modular, customizable bipedal platforms. Here are the 5 trending AI tools that can make your work faster, easier, and way more powerful. First one is Comozit, is an AI automation platform that builds, runs, and self-fixes workflows from natural language instructions, handling browser actions, APIs, and documents with resilience to interface changes. Next is Claude Import Memory, which supports import memory, letting users copy-paste preferences, projects, and context from other AI tools directly into Claude for seamless continuity. Basis builds AI agents designed specifically to automate accounting workflows in a focused, finance-native way. Button is a wearable AI device designed to speak naturally, letting you talk to it hands-free wherever you go. Shortkit is a video infrastructure platform that transforms any app into a TikTok-quality, swipeable video feed. Prism is a multi-modal AI tool that lets you generate, organize, and edit short-form videos all in one streamlined workflow. Qwen 3.5 Small is Alibaba's ultra-compact model family engineered to match the performance of systems up to 13 times larger. Gojaberry uses AI to identify high-intent prospects and automatically reach out to them with personalized, targeted messages. Ash is positioned as an AI system built to support therapeutic-style conversations, offering guided reflection and emotional insight while emphasizing that it's not a replacement for professional mental health care. Renamer uses AI to automatically sort and rename your digital files based on their actual content, rather than their file names. AI Flash to see what else is in AI today. Apple has introduced the iPhone 17e at $599, featuring the A19 chip, 256GB storage, MagSafe, and Ceramic Shield 2. It brings Apple Intelligence to a wider audience with visual search, AI call screening, and live translation. Instagram will notify parents using its supervision tools when teens repeatedly search for suicide or self-harm terms. Alerts arrive via email, WhatsApp, or in-app and include expert resources to help families respond supportively. Amazon says Iranian drone strikes damaged 3 AWS data centers in the UAE and Bahrain, disrupting over 100 cloud services. The attacks, tied to rising U.S.-Iran tensions, impacted banking, delivery, and enterprise platforms across the region. Anthropic's Claude app hit #1 on the App Store as the canceled ChatGPT movement spread across X and Reddit. The backlash followed OpenAI's Pentagon deal, with over 90 OpenAI and 600 Google employees signing an open letter supporting Anthropic's stance. Netflix has acquired Interpositive, Ben Affleck's AI startup focused on post-production tools for filmmakers. The deal brings Affleck on board as senior advisor and integrates Interpositive's team to help Netflix expand its AI-powered creative toolkit. Meta is being sued after contractors in Kenya reviewing Ray-Ban smart glasses footage reported seeing nudity, bathroom use, and other private content. The lawsuit alleges Meta misled users about privacy protections and failed to prevent human review of sensitive footage. Alibaba's Qwen AI team saw a wave of coordinated resignations after key researchers, including tech lead Junyong Lin, abruptly quit. Departing staff posted the message, "Qwen is nothing without its people," echoing OpenAI's 2023 mutiny and raising concerns about Qwen's future direction. Imbue released Darwinian Evolver, an open-source framework that uses LLM-guided mutation and fitness sampling to evolve code and prompts. It scored 95.1% on ARC, AGI, 2 with Gemini 3.1 Pro, setting a new benchmark for reasoning tasks. AI music platform Suno now has 2 million paid subscribers and $300 million in annual recurring revenue, up 50% in 3 months. The startup lets users generate songs from text prompts and is reshaping consumer AI monetization. Claude Code now includes auto memory, allowing it to retain build commands, debugging patterns, architecture choices, and coding style across sessions. The feature auto-generates memory.md files and streamlines developer workflows, no manual setup required. That's it for this week's update on AI. See you next week for more on AI. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to AI Today.